This is one of the best audio amplifier, 2:1 audio amplifier, 2:1. One subwoofer output and two surround output. Subwoofer output is 220 watt and surround is 160%. The IC is original. I am using extra more paste to ensure the IC are good. And like this circuit, you can use here maximum 36 volts, maximum 36 volts, minimum 12 plate, minimum 12 plate. If you use a laptop charger, it will be good 19 volts or 24 volts. Charger is best for this circuit. You can use DC 15 to 36 volts. This has our output 220 watt, left channel 160, right channel 160 watt output. I'm just checking using 12 volts, it's working or not. Yes, it's working. It's working in 12 volts, but the sound will be not good. 12. Speaker. I'm going to use speaker for subwoofer output. Ohms 200 watt speaker. Big speaker with a 4-layer coil. 4-layer coil. Now in the surround speaker, this is surround. I will use this speaker as a surround speaker. 100 watt. Dual speaker or surround. The left channel. Speaker for right channel. Must ensure the positive and negative wire. Now let's go to check using 12 volts. The sound will be not good. The output watt should be this charger is 2 ampere, 12 volt. Then 24 watt, 24 watt. That is 10 watt. I am using input. I am not using the voltage. Direct input. Sorry, I cannot play the song for the copyright issue. YouTube audio copyright issue. We can see the speaker are playing. but we cannot see this, we cannot hear the sound because I mute here for YouTube copyright issue. Look, every speaker are working. The speaker cannot work more because I use only 12 volts. I make the volume full, but output is lower for the voltage. I'm just testing. Everything are well. Is the Bluetooth chip that for the voltage input. Now